when it's over, when our days are through, and all we ever do is find in me at our setting sun, when our work is done, I'd like to say we did it all for love, for times worth dreaming of, to hold our hearts above the rain, that while we could we tried to bridge the great divide, to keep the dark inside me. And now we did it for the boys and the ones that never could, the sorrow and the joy, for the ground on which we stood, the ones no longer with us, for the chance that we could change, for the temporary reason, and all that we could say. We did it all for love, the times worth dreaming of, so hold our hearts above the rain, and then while we could we tried to bridge the great divide, to keep the dark inside me. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. For the ones no longer with us, the chance that we could change, for the temporary reason, and all that we could say. Thank you.